Hi everyone. Today let's solve the linear equation in one variable. To start with, let's multiply the number outside the bracket with each term inside. 3 2s are 6. 6x plus into minus minus 3 5s are 15 plus 4 as it is equal to 2 1s are 2x plus into plus plus 2 7s are 14. Let's write down the 6x as it is because we don't have any variable. So here minus 15 plus 4. So it's minus 11 is equal to 2x plus 14. Then here we have a variable and on the right hand side we have another variable. So 6x, 2x is coming to the left hand side, so plus becomes minus. Then 14 as it is, 11 minus 11 goes to the right hand side which becomes plus. Then 6x minus 2x is 4x is equal to 14 plus 11 is 25. Now we are left with 4x is equal to 25. To find the value of x, we are bringing the 4 which was on the left hand side to the right hand side. The multiplication becomes the division. So 25 by 4. We are dividing 25 with 4. 4 6 are 24 and one reminder, if you take a point we can take up the 0. 4 2s are 8 and 2 reminder. Already we have taken a point, so we can take 1 0. 4 5s are 20. So the value of x is equal to 6.25. I hope this video was clear to you all. Any doubt, please drop a comment. Feel free to be in touch. If you like the video, please like and subscribe the channel.